Friends, so in this video I will discuss about how to draw the isometric view of a square pyramid resting centrally on a hexagonal prism. So first I have to draw the hexagonal prism. Base edge is 25. So I will be first drawing the hexagon, regular hexagon, 25 mm base edge. I will be drawing the hexagon first with 25 mm base edge. Okay, so I'll be using this circle method to draw the hexagon, regular hexagon. I'll be drawing by using the circle method. Yes, now I'll be drawing the circle now. Yes. So I'll be using the circle method to draw the regular hexagon. Now you can simply take it. Yes, the radius as the arc of this arc line. Now you can simply draw this. Now you can join these edges of the hexagon. So this is the regular hexagon. Yes. Now you can make this outside rectangle. You can draw the vertical edges as well as the horizontal edges. Okay, as usual you have to make the outside rectangle. Yes. Now you can name it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is A, B, C and D. Now you can draw a reference line XY, horizontal line. You can take any point on this A. You can draw two 30-degree lines both sides of this point A, both sides 30 degree. Now you can simply measure it from here. AB you can take it from here, AB, and AD you can take it from here. So this is AD on the other side. Now you can complete this parallelogram as usual. I will be completing this. Now you can join this with thin lines. Now you can take this A2 from here. A2 lies between A and B. So this is A2. Similarly, D5 you can take it from here. Okay. So that will be same. And A6 you can take it from here. A6, A6 and B4 will be same. Okay. And then it will be same as equal to D1 and B3. Now I will be joining these points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I will be joining these. Yes. Always join it with thin lines. Now this is the isometric view of the hexagon. Now I will take the height. Now height of the prism is 20 mm. You can take the height as 20 only. So you need to draw the vertical edges 20 mm. height is 20 mm. You can take it 20 mm throughout vertical edges. Yes, 20 mm throughout. Whatever is this, through all the points you need to take 20 mm. So this is vertical edges. Now you can join the top of these edges. You can join it. Always join with thin lines. Okay. Always join with thin lines. Yes. 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 So now this is the hexagonal prism. Now you can erase the inside edges. You can erase it. Now you can make this thick, whatever is visible. So this will be the front edges will be visible. You can make it thick. Yes. And then on the back edges need not do it anything right now, because you have to erase those, because we have to draw the pyramid now. Next is you need to find out the center of the base, and then I will be first finding out the center of this base. Okay, so this is the center. Now you can find out the center of this upper hexagon as well. At the top you can join any two diagonals. Okay, any two diagonals you get the center. So this is the center of this. Okay, so now I'll be drawing the pyramid. You can join this with chain line, the axis line. Yes. You can draw any horizontal line through this center. Okay. Yes. You can extend this chain line a little bit upward. Yes. Now it is 20 mm. Okay, 20 mm means 10 mm above and 10 mm below. I need to take it 10 mm above and 10 mm below this center. Now I will take 20 mm distance, because edge of the base of the pyramid is 20 mm. So I will be measuring 20 mm, and from here you can mark it 20 mm both sides of this. Now I will be joining this. Always join is with thin lines. Okay. Now height is I can take it is 40. Yes, you can measure the height along this chain line. I can still extend this. Yes, height is 40, 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is 40. Just you can measure it 10, 20, 30 and 40 is here. Up to this point it is 40. So it is 40 now. Now you can join this apex with these edges of the pyramid. Okay, so this will be thick line. Yes. So this is the pyramid resting on hexagonal prism. I will make it thick. Yes, no. You can make the whatever is visible, you can make it thick. Yes. Now it is complete. I will be erasing any hidden lines. Yes, you can erase these hidden edges. Yes, now you can make this thick, whatever is visible, you can make these lines as thick lines of this prism. Yes. So now I will be doing the dimensioning only. Yes, it is complete. Now I will be doing the dimensioning. So I have done the dimensioning as well. You can write a reference line XY here. So I think this is complete. I hope you got it. Yes. Thank you very much. Yes. So this is the isometric view of a square pyramid lying on centrally on a hexagonal prism. Thank you very much.